So this is at nighttime with just one on, so you guys can see how bright that really is. Spiral design really stands out. So right now I got these for the springtime, got a good deal. So we're gonna put these in our yard in the springtime. Right now it's winter, but I wanted to get them while they're a good deal. Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are reviewing an 8-pack of solar pathway lights. Auto on and off, easy installation, powered by solar, weather resistant. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside the box. Alright, so right away we see these are metal stems and they come with plastic stakes, so you just place them in like this. So that's how it's going to go in. They do give you a manual, but it's going to be pretty simple. I should be able to help you guys out here, tell you guys how this works. So let me show you. So it's very simple. Twist this off, and here is your on and off button. You can relocate the light a little bit and move it center if you want, but here's the on and off. So once you have this, as you guys can see, turn it on, and then once it gets dark, it's going to come on, as you guys see right here. This is the solar panel. It looks like there might be plastic on here. Let's see if... No. Okay, so there's not. It just looked like it. All right, so then you go ahead and put this back on. It just twists on and off. Now you go ahead and take your stake. This will go on here, just like that. And now this goes into the ground. Very simple. Very nice looking. Okay, so let's repeat this one more time, just to show you guys one more time how it goes on. You take your stem here, place this right in like this, take this, slide it on, twist the cap off, press it on to the on position, put this back on, make sure it's on there, and you're good to go. Once the sunlight hits this, it's going to charge the battery. So during the day, it's charging, and then the light will come on at nighttime, just like that. All right, let's show you guys what they look like at night. So this is at nighttime with just one on, so you guys can see how bright that really is. And it gives a cool design, so if it's up against something. Now we put it down on the floor, on the ground here. You guys can see that really cool spiral design. Really stands out. So right now I got these for the springtime, got a good deal. So we're gonna put these in our yard in the springtime. Right now it's winter, but I wanted to get them while they're a good deal. And these days things get sold out, and you know, it's better to get something now while you still can, because it's not guaranteed that you're gonna be able to get it in a couple months with how the way the world is. But yeah, look at that. It's really cool. And it's very bright too, for a little light.